Hi all. The last time we spoke I was explaining how ballroom and Argentine tango are based on walking. We did an exercise to illustrate this connection. In this video we will be looking at the impact and limitations imposed by having another human being walking backwards, in front of you, in close proximity, and reversing their steps. The connection with walking and dance breaks down when you close your feet for any reason. When walking, it's entirely your choice which foot you decide to resume walking with, left or right. In dance, your partner has to know which foot you will commence dancing with, so that they can stay synchronized. To overcome this, there is a rule both partners have to abide by throughout the dance. The rule is the same one used when walking. You never use the same foot twice, which means when you need to close your feet, you immediately transfer your weight when your feet are together, so that you step off on a different foot from the one you closed with. We will illustrate this in slow motion. Having just closed from behind with my right foot, I then need to transfer my weight to it in preparation for stepping off with my left foot. This principle applies in all dance styles where the dancer is synchronizing with a partner, but is particularly important with closed hold styles.